Hello friend, welcome to my channel Knowledge of IoTX. In today's video, how to do PDF text editable using Nitro Pro 8. At first, open the Nitro Pro application. Open a PDF file for our activity. Some PDF files are normal compressed, and after doing Nitro edit action, it's automatically applicable for change any text. But, this document is not that type. So let's see, how to make editable format using Nitro Pro. Subscribe, and hit the bell icon for getting more update. Click to OCR activity. Two options are there, one, make searchable, and another, make searchable and editable. We want to edit this PDF document, so we choose the second option. Click to OK button. Then automatically starting the converting process. Yes, the document is successfully converted, and created a new file. Now, you can try again for editing into the new generated file. Yes, it's converted to editable formats. And I can edit all the pages as I want. After converting PDF to Word document, some text style and format will change. So it must be remembered. Now, save and convert to Word document file. Must be saved before converting to another file formats. converting process has been done, and will automatically open this document, if installed Microsoft Word in your machine. Our converting process has been successful. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then kindly subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for getting more update. Thank you, have a nice day.